it's Raquel Bowman here, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you the latest Chapter 4 releases from Sizzix Lifestyle. So basically what I'm going to do is just go through one by one the dies that I've been sent as part of this release and give you a close-up look at the pieces that come in the die sets or the designs themselves. So I thought I'd start with the big dies because they are the ones that I have right here in my hands. This die here is called the Dash Out, and it is a, how many pieces do we end up cutting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces you can cut. You can create this cute little bow as well, so you could use that separately if you wanted to. It's 662593 is the code for you to purchase. So that's the first die. The second big die I'm going to show you is called Flowers with Leaves, and it's this really nice floral design. It's got sort of 4 layers of petals and then the 2 leaf pieces as well. So it is going and creating a dimensional floral, and that's 662635. It's a really nice size as well. So that's that one. The next one is a real versatile die. It's called Bouquet Foliage, and it is your leaf design. I know this is one that I feel will get a lot of use in my scrapbooking and paper craft. So that's it there. And there's the 2 designs in that one. So the next die is this die. It's called Dahlia, and it's another floral die, a layered dimensional die, and it's creating, and it has sort of 4 main components that you can cut out and layer. So that's it there. And it's 662594. Oh, I like this one. So this one here is a butterfly die. So it's called Magnificent Butterfly, and it's a butterfly design, but it does have sort of embossed look to the wings, which is really hard to see here, but you could sort of see in this area here of the die that it does create a bit of an impression. So that's it there, and it is 662601. And lastly is a graceful reindeer, so a Christmas themed big die, and of course it is number is 662867, and that's it there. Now I do have one more big die to show you, which is part of the Tim Holtz design, so the Tim Holtz alterations, and it is a big alpha die. So it is letterboard 663111, and it's a huge alpha set, which is such a cool idea. So being a big die, you can cut this with materials and fabrics and chipboards and leathers, because it's got that steel rule component to it. It can cut a variety of materials, which is awesome. So because I'm doing this Tim Holtz one, I might show you the other releases from the new releases from Tim as well. So this one here is Whimsy Decor, and it's 663102, and it's your Christmas bells. So really fun little intricate die designs that you can put on top of the baubles, as well as your bows. Very cool. Did I read the number for that one? 663102, in case I didn't. This next one is called Merry Moose, and it is 663103, and it's a moose in a tree. That's that one. The next one is called Flurry number 1, and it is your snow flurry or snowflake. 663105. Really, really, again, intricate pattern on that one. Then I have a Sidekick die, a Thinlits die. So this has an embossing folder and dies, and it is called Winter. It is 663098. So you have your embossing folder, your snow text, a little mitten, a snowflake, and a hat. So cute. So that's those there, and it's all contained within this little die set. I love this one. This is called Fresh Baked #1, and it looks a bit like cookies. They are Christmas themed as well, so we've got a snowman and Santa and a snowflake and a heart and a mitten. Super, super cute. And there's 17 dies in this set, so you can see at the top there. That's 663100. This next set is going to be super versatile for Christmas and great for cards and paper craft projects. This is a shadow script Christmas. So we've got Season, Joy, Believe, Merry, and Ampersand, and Bright. It's 663104. And that's there. Next, I think I'll go through some of the Thinlits dies from our Chapter 4 release. So I'll start with these Country Canines, which are some puppy dogs. And they're 662592. I love the little bow ties and boots. How cute. Little bone. Great little set. This next one is a birthday set. It's called Birthday Girl, and it's got a cute little mouse, some balloons, birthday presents, clouds, numbers, so that you can customize things like the balloon or the cupcake. It's 662591, and it's called Birthday Girl. There's that one. This one is another design by Pete. It's similar to the circle release that we had not that long ago. This is square frames. So what this does is each individual piece here out of these 8 dies cuts you out that frame design. Really great set. 662602. Next is Floral Frames. It's 662636, and it's some flowers. So it's creating this floral design. That's the size there. We have another birthday set. This time it's Birthday Boy, 662590. And we've got some dinos, trucks, cupcakes again, little speech bubble. And then we've got our numbers that we can customize those bits and pieces. Look at that little hat. So cute. 662590, if in case I forgot. Love. Can't wait to use these for things with my little man. Okay, next we have an intricate unicorn. So it is a really detailed unicorn die. There's stars and butterflies to customize that unicorn. It's 662678. And that's really, really nice. Look how pretty. Next one is a Elegant Leaf, 662603, and it's a leaf design. Real detailed, fine leaf. Then we have, and I love this one, I think this would be great for cards, but also you could create multiple and create a really fun background for a scrapbooking page. It's called Scattered Hearts. It's 662599, and it's sort of like your heart die cut design. So you can use the inserts, you can back the inserts with a pattern paper, you can cut them multiple times from different colours and then put different colours within. Really, really nice. 662599. Is that one. Then we have a triangle gift box. So I like that this has the little tag as well as the gift box design for you to cut, and those really cute peekaboo windows. It's 662596. I love this. I'm so excited. This is called With Love Envelope with Hearts. So you've got the envelope die, which is such a great idea to have. So it's a nice, small, cute little mini envelope, but then you've also got a little heart set as well that you can cut out. So you could use them together, you could use them separately. Love that. That's 662597. Next I have an embossing folder. This is Botanicals 662606, and it's a floral design. So that's it there. Textured impressions. And lastly, and I think I saved this for last, maybe on purpose, but I really like this. It's just a butterfly set, and it's 662607. What I really love about this is the larger size butterflies. So you've got your sort of 3 different sizes. They're a great fine butterfly. I have a similar, and Tim Holtz has a similar 2 butterfly set that is gorgeous, but I love that this has different sized ones. So this is 662607. Now I thought I'd just quickly show you a couple of the extra bits and pieces, so some of those makings essentials pieces that you can purchase through Sizzix Lifestyle. We have some fabric pieces, which is great. There's 8 fabric pieces. They're assorted patterns. They means that you can use them for things like your big dies, to die cut out whatever you want to, customize whatever you would like. Next is the cardstock sheet set, and this has been one of my favorite things that Sizzix has released recently. I've just found that the color palette of the cardstock is just so easy to use, and I'm always able to find a color to suit my needs. So there's 80 sheets here, 20 colors. You can see that there's a whole big variety of colors for your die cutting needs. So there's that. And then I do have as well some felt sheets. So these are 10 color sets. This is more of a pastel color and more of a primary color. And they are ready to die cut or create with. I did realise that I left out a few of my Tim Holtz dies, so I'll quickly go through these before finishing up this video. So this is a big die as well, and it is called Ice Flake. It is 663109, and it's a really nice snowflake design. More sort of pointed edges. Then we have Funky Festive 663101, which is just a whole sort of pile of leaves and the, how do we say this flower? Poinsettia, is it? I'm not sure. Some, what are these? Pine cones and your little holly. Really, really cute. And what I love about these is that they're layered, so you can see here that you've got your branch and then you've got your layer behind that as well for the leaves. Really nice. Then this is Cool Yule. It's 663099, and it's some real funky hipster Christmas characters. So a penguin, a moose, a snowman and a Santa. Got glasses on. Very, very cool. 663099. I have another flurry. This is flurry number 2. So we showed flurry number 1 earlier. It's 663106. Then I have a branched birch 663108, and it's your birch tree design. And lastly is these tree lights 663107, and it is some tree designs which you would be able to put maybe a little tea light, battery operated tea light in to use. And that's 663107. So I hope that you've enjoyed this little chapter 4 unboxing today, and I hope it's given you a bit of a detailed look at some of the new releases. Check out sizzixlifestyle.co.uk for more details on stockists and where you can purchase these products, and I will see you all soon. Bye everyone.